So we moved a significant amount of dirt, a couple 100,000 yards for a client that was working for a landfill, but we weren't. And so once we did that, we were like, well, what's to stop us from doing this? Honestly, we just kept following bigger chunks of dirt, and we found that the biggest chunks of dirt were in landfills. It was just a natural progression for us. And truthfully, it's one of those things that's really been a hallmark of Berg. We just embrace the opportunities that are there. There's two things you do. You're either going to build a landfill or you're going to close a landfill. Building a landfill, we're going to excavate down either into virgin ground or at times on a piggyback, which is when you're digging on top of an existing cell that's been closed. So that's one side of it. The other side of it is you're closing out a landfill when it's reached its vertical limits. You're going to make it now an area that's safe, it's closed off. You're going to maintain all the stormwater management on top of the geosynthetic cap that you install. In the last 5 years, we've done a lot of pipe and a lot of waste relocation. We've probably moved 125 to 150,000 yards of waste and placed 400,000 yards of soil to build caps.
They give us a set of blueprints for capping, and we have to go about getting the hill on grade, going by the specs. There's only so much airspace a landfill can take up, so everything has to be spot on. We have probably one of the most dynamic crews here. Everybody knows what everybody else is doing the whole time. We go above and beyond to make sure things look exactly the way they should. Anything we can do that we think would better the project, we will definitely do.
We've spent the money and the effort to build a team that is very qualified and also has a number of different pieces. So we're able to generate our own GPS setups, we're able to do our own takeoffs, we're able to do our own cut and fills. We have CAD people, we have a geologist on staff so we can have a better handle on what we're doing and maybe a different way to approach it from the soil standpoint. So I think what the future holds for us is that we're going to be able to split into two crews and take on more work, have more opportunity, and then to continue down this road looking for the projects that are best suited for us, and then make a decision if we're going to follow some of these people a little further away.